Kids, don't try this at home. I'm a professional. I've had many years of experience. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. And today we're in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we found this really cool place called the Big View Diner. Now this is a little bit different than your normal diner, a little bit more upscale, and so I'm excited to try some upscale diner food. You want to try it with us? Come on, let's go try them out. And this place is really nice. This is not like your greasy 50s shiny diner that you would go to, you know, that it's open 24 hours or anything like that. This is a more upscale diner. We've got some more upscale food. But looking through this menu, and one thing caught my eye. Well, two things caught my eye. Well, three things. I can't decide. Chicken and waffles, chicken fried steak. Here's a tip for you. Whenever you go to a restaurant, especially one that you've never been to, ask your server what his favorite or her favorite thing on the menu is. I'm looking at the chicken and waffles, and I'm looking at the chicken fried steak. Because a lot of times they've tried everything on the menu and they can steer you in the right direction. So that's just a little tip for you. That's Donuts and Diners, tip number 494. I think I'm going chicken fried steak. It's going to be hand battered, come with whipped potatoes, green beans, and buttermilk sausage gravy. And then I get to choose a cup of soup, balsamic green salad, or a Caesar salad. Now I'm a soup guy, so I'm going to be going for the soup. And the soup of the day today is clam chowder. Okay guys, look what my wife got. This looks amazing. It's the buttermilk fried chicken salad. You guys, so look at this clam chowder. Look at these big old chunks of clam in there. Cheese, bacon, egg, tomato, lettuce, of course, the buttermilk fried chicken on top. It's got that seafood flavor, but it's not overpowering with seafood. Did you see the plate that came to the table here? Three-letter word. Three-letter word. Wow. I would eat my weight in this clam chowder. And I have a good weight on me. One of my favorite meals of all time. Chicken fried steak or country fried steak, depending on where you are. Mashed potatoes, green beans. Big View Diner, you're about to get a big view of this food going in my mouth. That looks amazing, and I know she is going to enjoy that like nobody's business. I'm gonna try the green beans, see how these guys are. One of my favorite vegetables. Very good. Okay, I want you guys to see something here. I'm gonna turn my plate around. This is the end of the steak. Okay, the breading, the steak goes all the way to the end. A lot of times when you get a country fried steak or a chicken fried steak, like a half inch all the way around, it's just breading. No, not here. The steak goes all the way to the end. All right, let's try this gravy here.
How you doing?
Kids, don't try this at home. I'm a professional. I've had many years of experience.
No, I see more. She was not here.
Tells me something right there. Oh. They know what they're doing. Good gravy. That really is good. That's good. That's good gravy. Oh, these are definitely real mashed potatoes. Those are not the fakes. There's nothing fake about those. That's a good, nice, crisp breading. Just perfect. Not too thick, not too thin. Still get the flavor of the steak in there, seasoned well. I'll tell you where people make a mistake with mashed potatoes. They don't get enough salt in them. Now, I know you'll say salt isn't good for you, but if you don't get enough salt in your potatoes, they're not seasoned well enough. But these, perfect. What do you put in your mashed potatoes to make them extra flavorful, to make them extra special? What is that ingredient you put in there? How do you prepare them? Is it just a little bit of love? No, wait a minute. I'm not talking about those instant potatoes out of the box. No, we're not talking about that. I'm talking about cut them up, boil them, mash them, real potatoes. And I'm not talking about the potatoes you take to a family dinner. You can get away with stuff that. I'm talking about what you're going to take to Fifth Sunday Baptist potluck dinner. You know the kind. You know you want your potatoes to be the first ones gone. And you want people to brag on your food. You really do. What do you put in those potatoes? I am so happy, so full, but I want you to see what I have happily accomplished. I have made a happy plate. So my wife ate her salad, and it was so big that she's having to take half of it home, and she's full. And I'm holding this. This half is what you would normally get as a whole salad. The Big View Diner in Charlotte, North Carolina. This place is someplace you have to have on your bucket list. If you get anywhere near Charlotte, North Carolina, Big View Diner. Don't miss it. It's well worth the wait. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya. Diner, and you're about to get ready. That's what I was getting ready to say. Should we leave that in the video? Why can I not talk today? I just can't talk. It's all right. I'm going to start over. All right, welcome to Donuts and Diners. Let me start over.